Welcome back everyone, where have you been? This is the next video of me opening a starter deck from Disney Lorcana's trading card game of the second set, Rise of the Floodborn, the Amber Sapphire starter deck. I just wanted to show you a pull from my other opening of the starter deck, the non-foil legendary Alice Growing Girl. Pretty neat. As I'm not yet that familiar with the rarities, I only noticed afterwards that this is quite a good card to pull, and it has it has a really nice image, and yeah, I can hopefully use this Alice to upgrade this deck. Yeah, just wanted to show you, but let's get right to it. As before, 60 card deck, damage counters, playmat, paper tracker token, and then the game rules, overview over the 60 card deck, and as before, it includes cards from the first chapter. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Yeah, I'm really enjoying. I haven't opened boosters in a very long time, or cards. I think I used to do that a lot as a child. Yu-Gi-Oh, Star Wars, CCG when I was very young. But yeah, this is something quite fun and new for me. So booster pack. So let's get into this deck without damaging the cards, hopefully. Getting a bit impatient. Okay. Foil Queen. Commanding Presence. Gaston, Intellectual Powerhouse. Yeah, well, now we get, I think this deck has quite a few of these 7 dwarves. Bashful. Doc, the leader of the 7 dwarves. I'm not sure how good these dwarves are. I think some are better than others, but dopey. But I'll test them and let you know what I think, whether it's more of a gimmick or whether they can actually be used grumpy to really do some damage. Believe some of them quest for 2, but yeah, for example, Doc quests for 2, so maybe unhappy, maybe those are a bit better than others, but we'll find out. This is really more for opening. Sleepy, not sure about this card. It enters play exerted, and yeah, not 100% about him, but Sneezy, yeah, let's see. He's very allergic. Snow White, what a lovely image, lovely art to say. Queen. So yeah, you can, as before, play. If you have this on the board, you can play this on top, and then you don't quite pay as much as you would have to otherwise. I guess you do kind of, because you have to pay for this, but it's only the one, so you get this like one cheaper, I suppose. Belle, Inventive Engineer, Cruella de Vil, Judy Hopps, Owl, Logical Lecturer. This I don't know how to pronounce. Phil, let's just say Phil. The Knock, Water Spirit. Winnie the Pooh, having a think. I love that. I really love that. He's actually one of my favorite Disney characters of all time. Maybe, along with Stitch, the favorite. Flying crossbow, some items in the end, like with the other deck. And yeah, that's the 60 card deck. And now we get onto booster pack. This is a bit tougher than the other one. Okay, here we are. Okay, commons, improvise, the knock, Rapunzel, Kutsko, Peter Pan's dagger, Chiana, uncommon Judy Hopps, Raya, Jafar, rare Lucifer, Beast Relentless. This is also a very, very good pull, I believe. And Cheshire Cat. These are, I think, great pulls. I mean, okay, this is an uncommon foil. And this is again a legendary. And I believe this is quite a useful card for in-game. Yeah, these boosters, these last two boosters have been really, really good. And then the complementary Ravensburg card. So yeah, let me know what you think. Are these two pools as good as I believe they are? Maybe not the Cheshire Cat, but the Beast, along with the Alice from the other complementary booster pack. Pretty neat. Thanks for tuning in and keep you updated.